How to get custom text please donate on Roblox mobile. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode I'll be showing you the ways on how you can get custom text in please donate on Roblox. So to begin with, check your internet connection. Now you'll not be able to do it from the application. You'll need to open up a browser. Once you open up the browser, on the web address bar you need to type in please donate text. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well. After that, it's gonna direct you to this particular site. So this site allows you to generate or customize your text. So here you can see there's the fill. So you need to first of all type in the text that you wish to add it. After that, you can just change the color. Just tap on the color button, tap on the set. You can also change the font size, or you can just change the color of the font as well. After that, you can also add a stroke thickness, whatever you want. And once you've done that, click on the rainbow button. If you want it so, then click on the copy button. As soon as you're done copying the link of the customized text, you'll need to open up your Roblox and log in into your please donate game. Once you've done that, you'll need to go to your stand. After that, tap on the E button, and once you've done that, paste in the code that you've recently copied and click on the apply button. How you can get a custom text and please donate on Roblox. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.